You're welcome to the 2013 Pearl Awards, where rewards are given to dedicated quoted companies in the Nigerian Stock Exchange, where companies are encouraged to step up the level in a time where Nigeria aspires to become a financial hub, attracting investments and capital. In these awards, you will see companies who have shown leadership in various sectors, and will also see various emerging companies that are showing determination through innovation to improve the market. So tell us about the journey so far, about the Pearl Awards and how it's driving the Nigerian economy and market.
Well, we thank God over the past 18 years, precisely since 1995, when the Pearl Awards came to be. We're happy to note that it has achieved its objectives. It continues to achieve its objectives, which includes engendering competitiveness amongst companies quoted on the stock exchange. Beyond that, we have been able to create awareness about the stock exchange, about the capital market. People now know that it is not just an elitist market. And beyond that, we've been able to enhance the shareholders' wealth due to enhanced performance by companies that have been rewarded by these awards. And of course, we continue to contribute with regards to development on the capital market with regards to the Pearl Awards. As you may all be aware, the Pearl Awards was instituted in 1995, and I remember the day, looks like yesterday, on 27 May 1995, when I stood exactly in this hall to recognize and reward quoted companies for outstanding performance on the stock market, thereby enhancing the vibrancy, growth, and development of the Nigerian capital market. Pearl Awards has gone to other venues. Today we are back at this venue. We have, over the past 18 years, geared our efforts towards creating robust awareness for capital market activities and creating an enabling platform for healthy competition among quoted companies with a view to enhancing their performance and make them globally competitive. It is gratifying to state that we have remained a reference point for shareholders and prospective investors alike. We're quite aware of the enormity of the responsibility placed upon us by stakeholders of the capital market as a result of their overwhelming trust and reliability on our judgment. Therefore, we reaffirm today our commitment to the principles of transparency, fairness, and equity in our annual assessment of quoted companies in Nigeria. This year's awards, as usual, will be in three main categories competitively, namely Sectoral Leadership Awards category, Market Excellence Awards category, and the overall highest award, the Pearl of the Nigerian stock market.
For me personally, accepting to honor this event as chairman of the occasion was predicated upon the credibility of the awards, its resilience in spite of the vagaries of the economy and downturn in the capital market in recent past years, and indeed the spirit of commitment to the vision of the awards project, not only by the visionary of the project, the team of the awards secretariat, but also the unparalleled commitment of the esteemed Board of Governors of the Pearl Awards, peopled by Nigerians of high integrity and credibility.
The high point of today was the presentation of the Nigerian Stock Market Annuals. It's a book that you must read. It shows you the analysis and the incisive reports about Nigeria's stock market and the future outlook.
In the publication, which I'm sure they will make available to you all, Pearl Awards have served up a collection of talks. It is not a book. It is just a publication with a collection of thoughts on the leadership meltdown that precipitated the market meltdown we are exposed to. It showed us how it exposed and reaffirmed the role of supervision and enforcement in building market confidence, the reforms required and executed thus far at the SEC and the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and the key challenges that the market must confront. Each contributor you find in the book examined the specifics of the issues, ranging from rules and regulations, pension funds, the OTC market, bank margins, high interest rates, how some of you all lost your money, the shareholders' rights and privileges, demutualization, as well as situate current events within a broader framework, one that has been gestating for several decades and sits at the heart of the lofty target of achieving a 1 trillion market cap by 2016. One of the two things it did was it raised issues around this 1 trillion market cap, which we seem to be repeating like a cliche. One, the need for us to make a decision as to whether we want to have a 1 market cap based on a 1 trillion market cap based on a 1 trillion economy, or we seek to just want to be a financial hub for listings within the region and West Africa as a whole. Most importantly, the publication invariably helped to recalibrate the argument about the market and the economy. That means the real productive economy is tendency towards stagnation, and it creates a need for capital to find ways to profitably invest its surplus. One of the major thrusts of the reviewer, therefore, is for me to offer some of my own comments, and I state as follows. If this is the true position as written in the book, we must not shy away from addressing the lack of nexus between the economy and the market, or the absence of fiscal policies that support the building of a world-class market. Rather than allowing capital to freely construct itself into a financialized casino economy, the regulators have to come in and correct, something that has become increasingly unstable.
Also today we saw sectoral winners in the various categories and financial players that are beginning to transform the Nigerian market post-crisis era.
For the overall highest award for 2013 Pearl Awards, the 2013 Pearl of the Nigerian Stock Market, Dangote Cement PLC. The MD CEO, the GM CEO, Dangote Cement from upstate. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir. Please stand there.
Congratulations, sir.
The Pearl Awards Committee must be commended for their dedication and consistency to ensuring that companies quoted in the stock market step up their game and are challenged to bring more to the financial market.
This is the first year of FBN Holdings being in operations, and we are very delighted that we are being recognized as one of the companies that is getting this award. For us, it is a confirmation that the bank holding company structure that we have adopted as a group is actually a thing of value. It's a thing that is creating value for shareholders, and it's a thing that is already been recognized in the marketplace. So it is a confirmation that we're actually getting off the ground on the right track.
How do you feel winning these overwhelming awards this year?
Well, as I said, actually the award is primarily due to the constant and unstinted support which we receive from our shareholders, and the very hard work which has been put in by my staff and the board and the board chairman's directive, his vision and his guidance. So personally, I'm not really overwhelmed, because this is what we expect when you have a good combination of shareholders, directors and staff.
And Dangote now became the first Nigerian brand to be listed by Forbes in the first 200. What does that mean to you?
Well, as far as we are concerned, we have far to go ahead because, as you know, in the sugar business, we are going for a major backward integration. We are getting into fertilizer, we are getting into petroleum refining, petrochemicals. So as far as we are concerned, we are in the initial steps of the ladder. We have to climb a lot further and we are going towards the goal.
So from this very great 2013 Pearl Awards edition, it's been Otto Abasebasekong from Web TV reporting.